It's been 14 years since my mother passed away of colon cancer. She was diagnosed in 2003 and she died in 2006. And I was 18 years old when she died, and it was really, really hard for me to deal with because I've never had to deal with such pain. And now that I am in a world with no mother, I really didn't know how to live. I didn't know what to do, how to breathe, how to eat. I just didn't know. At that time, I was just lost. I remember her last words to me were, "I don't want you to live like how I lived." And I asked her, "What do you mean by that?" She said, "Stand up for what you believe in and make sure you build something for yourself." I remember from that day, like how hard I was thinking about what she said. And I knew she was gonna go because it just felt like she was ready to go. She suffered for so long, for a very long time. And us as family members, we have to know when to let go, because then we hold on, and that makes us very selfish to hold on to someone who just wants to let go. But it's not even us being selfish, it's just having hope. So from there, I just had to learn how to deal with what she was going through and what my family was going through, and she was just ready to go. So as a daughter, I was always there by her side, and I sat there with her, went to every doctor's appointment, and loved on her because I know it was time for her to go. After she passed away, I became pregnant and had my first daughter, and I became a mother. Being that I was a mother now, it was instinctively, of course, you know what to do, but then do you really know what to do, especially when you don't have the guidance? And I always wish that my mother was here to help me with her. And hey, it's something that God teaches us. He starts to send people into our lives when he knows that his children needs help. And that's what happened. I started having all types of people, good people, coming into my life and teaching me, mostly older women that have older children. And it was really helpful. And I had my brother to help me, my niece, and all that. And 2 years later from there, I had another child, and she was a girl. And I don't regret my kids at all, although I had them at an age where I was not stable. So I had a guy friend who's been around in high school since, way before my mom passed away. I ended up attending this school, and he's been around and he's been showing interest in me, but we were just friends, so I didn't see nothing of it. Here we are with 3 children of our own, and when we got married, I had 2. He came in with 1, so altogether we have 6 beautiful children. We have 5 girls, 1 boy, and I have no regrets. I love them all to bits and pieces. We have learned so much from one another. We have had our hardships and we have had our good times. But I have learned from my mother to be a strong woman, to be a wife, especially, and most importantly, a child of God. And I have been here, and I cannot say that it's been easy, but I can tell you that it's been so many learning lessons that I know I can pass on to my children, to my son, to my daughters, and to even friends. So 7 years later, here we are today, just going and going. And I could not have asked for a better man. Very helpful. Very, very helpful. I can say that. and we've learned so much from one another. And we're still going. And I thank God for all of it. And I say this to say, no matter where you came from in life, no matter what you've been through, no matter who has been in your life, come and go, friends, family, you have to get up and bounce back. That's what I live by. It's you who pick how you want your life to be, as far as happy or miserable.